Welcome, dear student. Stay home and know the rules of health for coronavirus. Use masks. Study English at home. I am Muhammad Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher English, Gopalpur School and College, Monirampur, Jashore. Subject English for today, Class 8. Unit 7, Lesson 1, Topics, Pulse, Pulse, Pulse. How do you see in this picture? Yes, this is the gold mail ornament. Golden ornament. This is very precious metal. Yes. Now see next picture. How do you see this picture? Yes, this is also most valuable things. It is pearl. This ornament also made of pearls. So today we are going to learn about pearls, 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 Unit 7, Lesson 1. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, students will to look at the pictures and discuss the pairs. Read the text and answer the questions. Read the text and type the information in the table. Now look at the pictures and think individual. What is this? What about this picture? Yes, it is ornament. These women use ornament made of pearls. Also made of pearls. In ancient, people use as ornament made of pearls. So pearls is very valuable precious in the past. Now, open your book. Keywords. Mythology. Now we are going to learn about some new vocabulary from your text. Mythology. Yes. Mythology in Bangla. पौराणिक कहानी समूह. Tradition. Tradition. Try to make sentence. Yes, pearls have been mentioned in religious texts, mythologies from the earliest times. Ancient. This is ancient picture. Ancient in Bangla, prasin. Old, primitive. Try to make a sentence. Make sentence. In ancient Rome, pearls were considered the greatest sign of wealth and social status. Dissolve. Try to meaning in English. Dissolve. Durubhibhuto. Liquefied. Melted. Next sentence. Pearls were dissolved in water in ancient time. Next, status. Yes, status. Bangla Samajik Mujjada, rank, grade. Next sentence, pearls were considered as the sign of status in ancient times. Dear students, open your books and maths with me. Now, I learn this text and you try to listen it and understand it. In the past, people went to seashore searching food and discovered pearls. Now, thousands of years ago, the first pearl was probably discovered while human beings were searching for food at the seashore. Throughout history, the pearls with its shine has been one of the most highly valued games. Next, pearls have been considered many times in religious texts and mythologies from the earliest times. The ancient Egyptians valued pearls so much that they were buried with them. It is said that the famous queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, would dissolve a pearl in a glass and drink it as a sign of love and respect for the entire nation. Here is the buried time. The ancient Egyptians used pearls. They were buried with them. And Egypt, Cleopatra, the kings of his land, queen, a famous queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, who dissolved a pearl in a glass and drink it as a sign of love and respect for the nations. Next, the Greeks thought the pearls as a sign of wealth and social position. The beauty of pearls was associated with love and marriage. In ancient Rome, pearls were considered the greatest sign of wealth and social status. At that time, the young women of noble families loved to wear beautiful pearls necklaces. The brave knights used to wear them in the battles for good luck. Dear students, in the past, pearls also used in the battlefield and different marriage and functions. Here we see was this social status and famous person also used pearls in the past. Now, the questions. Do you think pearls were dissolved by accident? Why? Why do you think pearls were valued so much in the past? For good luck, the knights thought the pearls valued bring them. Now, try to answer it. Next, I help you possible answer. Yes, the student. Dear students, you may ask your answer with me. First question, do you think pearls were discovered by accident? Why? Try to match answer. Yes, I think pearls were discovered by accident because they were found while human beings were searching for food at the seashore. when people went to search food, these people discovered pearls. Accidentally, they see the seashore into see things. Next, they discovered. Accidentally, they discovered pearls. Next question. Why do you think pearls were valued so much in the past? Yes. In the past, pearls were valued so much because the ancient Egyptians and the Greeks thought them as a sign of wealth and social status. Number 3. What good luck the knights thought the pearls would bring them? Yes, answer. The knights thought that the pearls would bring them good luck in the battle. Dear student, read the text in again and write the information on the table. You try to read and write these tables. Next, I help you. Dear student, match this answer. The first sentence is the ancient Egyptians were worn pearls when they were touring. Second sentence, the Greeks wore pearls in the time of love and marriage. The ancient Romans wore pearls in social gathering. The brave knights wore pearls in battlefield. Now, evaluation. Who was Cleopatra? Yeah. Cleopatra was the famous queen of Egypt. What does the word probably mean? The word probably means possibly. possibly. What did the Greeks consider the pulse as? Yes. The Greeks considered the pulse as a sign of weight and social position. Dear student, write homework. You will write a paragraph on pulse. Dear student, wait my next video class. And after finishing this class, you will watch this class. Shikshak Batayon, Connect, Khulna Online School, Joshua Online School, Madhyamik Stare Online Shikha Monirampur, Facebook Gopalpur School and College, Facebook Muhammad Mizanur Rahman. See you later. Bye bye.